हर कोई यही बात कर रहा है, चेंज होने वाला है, चेंज हो रहा है, चीजें बदल रही है, चेंज हो रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है. द चेंज इज द ट्रेंडिंग वर्ड एवरीवेयर. सो मेरा ये कर्तव्य बनता है कि मैं इस पर बात जरूर करूं, लेकिन आई विल नॉट लाइक टू गिव अ प्रवचन ऑन चेंज, बिकॉज चेंज इज कॉन्स्टेंट. चेंज इज द ओनली थिंग इज कॉन्स्टेंट. ये हम सुन रहे हैं, ये हम जानते हैं. अगर चेंज के बारे में बात करनी चाहिए तो आपसे इतना ही कहूंगा कि चेंज में 3 चीजें समझ में आनी चाहिए. कि हमें यह पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी चीजें हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, उन्हें एक्सेप्ट करने की हिम्मत हमारे अंदर. द थिंग्स आई कैन नॉट चेंज, आई शुड एक्सेप्ट. सेकेंड, देयर आर थिंग्स आई कैन चेंज, आई शुड हैव द करेज टू चेंज. The daring, the courage. And third, I should have the wisdom. I should have the wisdom to understand the difference between the two things. What can I change and what can I not change? 3 things required. और situations of change भी 3 तरह की होती हैं. लाइफ में जो चेंजेस आते हैं नॉर्मली 3 तरह के आते हैं. 1, change by chance. Suddenly something happens and there's a change in your life. For example, in the year 2000, when I was moving out of my house to attend my coaching, my mother told me, gave me a paper cutting actually, and said, "ये एक motivational seminar हो रहा है नागपुर में, go and see it." I took the paper cutting and kept it in pocket, went to my coaching class, and in the coaching class, after the class, I asked my friends, "Can we go to that motivational seminar? 50 rupees का ticket है." No one was interested. So I said, "Okay, अकेले क्या जाएंगे?" And I started coming back. But suddenly, I don't know what happened, एक हवा का झोंका आया और मुझे लगा नो, मम्मी ने कहा है कि इस इवेंट को अटेंड करना, तो चलो लेट्स ट्राई. एंड I remember I took a U-turn on my 2-wheeler and I went to that seminar. And believe me, my friends, it's no doubt that I should accept very clearly, because of that particular day, that 1 hour of an event which I attended, today I'm standing here in front of you as a national speaker after doing so many events across the country. That one day, in fact 1 hour of that event completely changed my life. That change was not expected, that was a change by chance. तो मम्मी की बात मान लिया करिए. Number 2, change by choice. Change by choice. When I realized that I can be a good speaker, I consulted with my father. My father is a businessman. He consulted with me. He said कि business आगे कुछ ज़्यादा चलने वाला नहीं है. We have to do something new. I met some of my counselors, my teachers, my gurus, and we realized that I can be a good teacher. I can be a good teacher. And then I started planning, and I tried to go into the line of professional teaching through college. My friends, that was my plan. That was a change by choice. Suddenly from business, I came to a field of teaching. It was but because of choice, because I have analyzed things. Third, and the most important for you, is the change by crisis. When I say this, that change by crisis, it is really important. I would like to congratulate the individuals who are into college right now, the age of people who between 18 and 27, 25, this age of people who are already in college or doing their doctoral and all that, congratulations to you. This corona has come for you. No, that not the other way. This corona has come to give you an amazing thing. नहीं समझेगा? I'll explain. 1945, World War II, Japan was attacked by America and UK. Atom bombs were thrown on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan तबाह हो गया. Japan collapsed completely. What happened? Japan collapsed. When I say this, बाद में क्या हुआ? गौर करिए. Japan came up. Japan not only recovered, but it became one of the most powerful countries in the world today. 1945, ध्यान रखिए, 1947 India got independence, and 1945 Japan was collapsed. Japan came back, and that coming back is specifically the most important point till now of this webinar. The Japan came back because of one thing, and that was post-traumatic ग्रोथ, आई रिपीट, पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक ग्रोथ, किसी भी शॉक, किसी भी ट्रॉमा के बाद होने वाली वो ग्रोथ जो आपको काफी ऊपर ले जाती है, वो रियलाइज करवाती है कि आपके अंदर कितना पोटेंशियल है, वो होती है पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक ग्रोथ. My friends, therefore I congratulated this young generation because you will be the maximum beneficiaries of this corona after the situation goes away. Yes, within a month or two, things will get normal. Don't worry. और अंधेरी रात के बाद सवेरा आता है. इसके पहले भी हुआ है. स्पेनिश फ्लू आया है 100 साल पहले. 7 करोड़ लोग उसमें मर चुके हैं. वर्ल्ड रिकवर किया है, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. ग्रेट डिप्रेशन आया 1949 में, वर्ल्ड रिकवर किया है. इंडिया के साथ हुआ है. स्केर्सिटी ऑफ फूड, ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन केम. इंडिया के साथ कई बार हुआ. 19s में we lost everything from the foreign exchange, no reserves left. We came back. The LPG, liberalization, globalization, privatization, we came back. So yes, believe first, things will change. And things will change. And when these things will change, the corona thing will go away, the infection will settle down, people will become immune to it. You will be the maximum beneficiaries of this. Trust me for this. My friends, this is where I wanted to tell you. Very, very clearly realize that this is not the time to yell. This is not the time to say, oh my God, क्या हो रहा है? This is not the time to sit back and relax also. This is the time to do something very important for you. अगर इस कोरोना के खत्म होने के बाद, after this lockdown gets over, what I should say, अगर आपने उस पीरियड में कुछ भी नहीं सीखा, नया कुछ नहीं सीखा, you don't learn anything, you don't upskill yourself, you don't develop something good in yourself, you don't become fitter, I think that you have wasted time. There's still time. The lockdown is still there. Go ahead and change. Try to change your things right now. Change को accept करना है. Change को accept करना in the right direction. This change has come for you. ये और किसी के लिए नहीं आया है. हर कोई दौड़ता है यहाँ भीड़ की तरफ. हर कोई दौड़ता है यहाँ भीड़ की तरफ और ये भी चाहता है कि उसे रास्ता मिले.